factor. 18 of these Chelsea Cup
time in just 10 weeks. They fought out a classic. This is not an occasion.
But it's all about Lukaku and his inclusion. 3 goals in his last touch ground, and the same defensive instinct that Fabinho has brought to this team when the full
to mark the transition towards new American ownership. So Chelsea against Liverpool for the 4th time this season. FA Cup, they've been very good at getting to finals in the last decade. Last FA Cup triumph, that extraordinary final against West Ham in Cardiff. Jorginho for Chelsea, who, as you'll gather, are in. To Diaz. It's a matter of inches away, out in the direction of Thiago. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Off in pursuit.
3 previous meetings this year. All 3 have ended up in draws, and it was
early running here. Alexander-Arnold. Mendy made the save. Clearance was desperate, and Keita with a wild follow-up.
Be a great chance creator and have the ability to play those type with some big saves, and this one doing a real good job of not biting to.
And Keita. Alexander.
But more so, it's just taken Chelsea completely out of this game.
James. Lukaku, that seemed to clip his arm.
In this lineup, and it's those little pockets of space in bounds off of Lukaku. That's a good look. Fantastic step here from Kovacic. Just step into that pocket and force.
Absent for a moment. Alonso. And it's Mane and it's Mendy.
Over the top. I think Mendy does a fantastic job of reading the
ball off the bench at the tail end of extra time in the League Cup final. Sorry, but expected. And Liverpool continue to pour forward. Here's Mason Mount. And Pulisic! Well, he knows what it feels like to
score early on. Yes, they've been a little flat-footed. They've been second best to.
And Pulisic has played him in, and Marcus Alonso saw the daylight very rapidly blocked out by the giant Alisson.
But again, better is a little bit better. I think Alisson's in a difficult spot there because then Alonso has
down in the first half. Early in the game, it was Jorginho and then Thiago.
I think that's why there's more pressure. Therein lies the pressure for Jurgen Klopp.
Here's Pulisic, and a chance for Pulisic.
Pulisic to run off of him. But yeah, not just these 2 center backs at Liverpool. I think he's got to be a little bit more diverse. Although it is 2 former Dortmund men. They can't all be winners.
Thiago on for Robertson, and Jota with a chance. And as good a chance as Liverpool have fashioned in this first half. Here's Lukaku. Probably had to take it first time. That's half time, and we have a similar situation to the Carabao 0. Then 5, and Marcus Alonso has a chance. And Chelsea very nearly scored. Would have been Reece James.
This is in the first half, and it's a little mind-boggling.
So with this free kick.
For Liverpool supporters and Alisson, that this doesn't hit the underside of the
quarter-final stage against Real Madrid. Runners up in the League Cup 2. Alexander-Arnold, and the chance fell to Andy Robertson, and he seemed in 2 minds. And the FA Cup, and the UEFA Cup for that matter. Here's Diaz. Fouled by Van Dijk.
We've seen more from Mount, we've seen more, but they've done a wonderful job of growing into this game.
In by Alonso. Now Mount. And James. Alonso. It's a complete turnaround since the break. Here's Naby Keita. And Jota. Typical impudence. Robertson with typical accuracy. It's a corner, it might have been much more. Just presents it to Alexander-Arnold inadvertently. Deflected behind for another. Alexander-Arnold. It's Henderson. Thiago. And well held by Mendy.
Yep.
It'll come all the way for James. And rolled in for the first time shot. And it was Christian. Thiago. Luis Diaz.
It's just the understanding of, you know what, foul here, slow the game down.
Thiago. Cross went James.
Well, how often do we watch cup final?
Pulisic, just as he was about to draw back that left foot. Alexander-Arnold.
Oh.
Thiago.
He came in studs up, but it's at
to save a Lukaku, and away by Van Dijk. Cup final in grinding tension. Mane, Luis Diaz.
Well, I think this chance hits the post.
Milner. A lovely ball from Robertson. This
and how this doesn't hit the inside of the post. It's the right. Arnold kicked the back of his leg.
Alexander-Arnold. Van Dijk.
Diaz is just something else. I mean, it is.
Thiago Silva. He's done well to hold him up, and Diaz tried to kill it. Sufficiently game. Diaz.
Great goalkeeping from Mendy.
Still knocked for his troubles. His left wrist, then his right, and blowing his whistle. And for just the 6th time in history, the FA Cup final will
winning the first FA Cup for Liverpool in the last 16 years.
He got the better of West Ham. And that remains. Pulisic. 2 to his left, and Matic blocked out the light. In towards Ziyech, there's a little.
Go back to that ball here from Alonso in behind from Ziyech. Make it.
Mount. Ziyech with this. A chance here. Alonso's kick on. Half-time in extra time.
The first extra time went on. Chelsea had a little bit more life to them, a little bit more.
They have to win to keep the Premier League race alive.
Have been played at the clip and the pace that we saw in the Carabao Cup final in late February.
So it's alert to the danger post by Loftus-Cheek. Firmino rising with Loftus-Cheek. Is there one last twist? And there's Alonso. The 3rd time in history, the FA Cup, it's in their favour. It is. Alonso and Chelsea are off to a successful start.
And this is going to be the underlying.
Who has scored, followed by the penalty of some conviction.
And again, different than
nervy. A few extra deep breaths as Piliqueta saved. Alisson flying to his left, and I think getting a touch onto the post. So masterful his technique. And as calm as you like. It's another short run. And another successful conversion. He has a wise old head on those shoulders. And his nerve holds. Today. Sent on in the last minute. Downwards. Corner. 4 out of 4 for Liverpool. Pressure attached to this one. A man who knows penalty heartbreak. And there's another dose. Chelsea are still in it. Chelsea reprieved for now, and Ziyech rams home the advantage. Now it's Liverpool. Pretty complex circumstances. Five, a fairly lengthy run. And Alisson left hand. It's advantage Liverpool. It's another red letter day. The quadruple dream is still alive for Liverpool.
These Reds are simply relentless. They are FA Cup winners 2022. A real team effort, a real squad effort.